Let's talk about a group cruise. Welcome back to the channel. I am Cynthia, your host for Right Recipe for Travel. We are so excited right here in Texas to have one of the newest ships in the Carnival fleet coming next November. That's right, November of 2023, we get to welcome the Carnival Jubilee. And Right Recipe for Travel would like to personally invite you on our group cruise. And our group cruise is happening November 25th through December 2nd of 2023. Everyone mark your calendars. I'm going to say that again. November 25th through December 2nd of 2023, leaving right here from Galveston. It's a 7-night Western Caribbean cruise to Mahogany Bay, Costa Maya, and Cozumel. We can't wait. We're so looking forward to seeing you at our group cruise November 25th of 2023. Let me tell you a little bit more about the Carnival Jubilee. This ship can hold 5,374 guests with 1,735 crew. This ship is being touted with having 6 fun zones, and we don't even have all of the information about those fun zones yet. But there's also some very classic Carnival staples, such as Cucina del Capitano, Seuss at Sea, Playlist Productions, Bolt, Red Frog Tiki Bar, Family Feud Live. The inaugural sailing will be just the previous week before for Thanksgiving. We're not going to go on that one. We're going to give them time to work out any bugs or problems or delays with shows or anything that sometimes does happen on the first sailing. But we want to see you in the place. November 25th, 2023. Come with us. Right Recipe for Travel is looking for you. We are going to have a blast, and we're getting this all prepared right now with specials and extras, things that will excite, have fun, and something for everyone in your party. So once again, take a look down in the description below for the link to get information for our upcoming group cruise. And we'd just like to share from Right Recipe for Travel how much we appreciate all of our viewers. Thank you to all of our viewers and all of our subscribers for the likes and the clicks on the notification bell. So once again, I'm going to personally invite you to subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing. It's absolutely free, and it does help us out. It helps to let people know on the YouTube world that you want to see these types of videos and bump us up so that our videos can come forth to you with new content. And then also click on that like button and click that notification bell. You'll be the first to know about new content when we drop. And we try to drop new content every week, and a lot of times more than once a week. Don't wait, don't hesitate, because these rooms will go fast. Remember, this is a brand new ship coming to our port. Let me know, what would you like to see in your group cruise? Is there a particular game that you'd like us to play? How about a social event? Are there particular excursions that you'd like to do? Please let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to know some ideas of what you would like to see on our wonderful group cruise. Thanks a lot. So, what is the right recipe? Join our group cruise. We are looking so forward to seeing you November 25th of 2023.